Ooh, tofu?
We got our corn, guys. They didn't have
We don't think we need more lines. I swear we only have like 2.
Okay, we'll grab some on the way out.
Yeah.
So we're making some elote. They didn't have like the original elotes, the ones that you peel yourself. They just had these.
Then like these ones.
But
it's the same thing.
Those will work. Please don't ever bust an Ashley and make corn in a can. But yeah, we'll show you guys what else we get. Ashley's in the shower right now. I'm gonna try to prank her. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. I'm gonna pretend like I cut my finger. Love. I cut my finger. Yes, come here. Oh my God. Oh. It's stop bleeding. Oh, fuck, I got it all over the team over there.
Attention.
What do you mean? I didn't know.
Well, that's what you did last time too. Let me see.
Oh, fuck. Clean up that over there so it doesn't get in the thing.
What is that, stupid? I'm like, really? I'm trying to clean foot?
Got him.
You're stupid.
I got it, guys. I always cut myself. So I was literally sitting here and I'm like, I'm gonna try to prank her. I'm gonna pretend like I cut my finger because I literally always cut myself, guys. Like, look at this morning. Oh, there's a piece of corn. Literally this morning, I don't know if you can see. Click it so you can focus it.
Where is it? This?
Like, you can kind of see it. I literally cut myself this morning. I don't even know what I was doing. I was doing something like really simple, but yeah.
No, and even last time, we bought this new, it was just a slicer thing, and he freaking sliced off the whole.
Yeah, I sliced like the whole tip of my finger because I didn't want to use the little tool you're supposed to put the thing on.
And I'm always yelling at him because he's not careful. He's not the type of person that's careful.
Yeah, so that was kind of funny. Did you really think that I really get you?
Yes, and then I'm trying to clean his foot, so I'm like, well, it must be serious because I have him on my lap.
I know, I felt bad because our dog, he got a little cut on his foot, so we've been trying to keep up with it and like clean it and stuff. And she was in there cleaning, so I kind of felt bad, but I guess, oh well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little part of the prank. We'll continue on making our elote.
Jesus.
what's up guys? So I just finished setting everything up to make the elote. So Ashley's gonna make hers first so we can just show you how we do it. We basically buy the corn on the cob. I shaved it just like you saw, and then we buy hot Cheetos. Actually the first time we make it with hot Cheetos, so I just crushed them with a cup inside of a bowl. But yeah, let's show you how we make our elote.
Mayo. A lot of mayo. I know this probably looks nasty to some people, but it's amazing, guys. If you've never tried it before.
And it is weird because it literally doesn't taste like mayonnaise.
I know, it's weird. It doesn't. And me, if you're a cheesehead, well.
Yeah, cheese is a lot of cheese. We usually have to buy like 3 packs.
Yeah, the cheese is my favorite part.
And of course we got the dogs thinking they're gonna get a bowl. Tried to take selfies with King or Troy, but he wasn't feeling it.
Put my lime right now. Usually some people, I don't know, I'm not going like in an order.
That doesn't really matter when you're making it in a bowl. You just mix it all.
Yeah. And some tapatio. It's kind of weird using, what's it called? Never used them before. These. And usually people use these when it's more like dry. Mine's gonna be wet, so it's a little weird. And me, I like a lot of chili, but it's hard to put a lot of chili. You have to keep on adding and adding.
She has really bad heartburn.
I guess I'm gonna use some of these then. Has some hot Cheetos. It looks like throw up now.
It really does, but
Let me taste it first.
taste test. Bomb?
Yeah. I like a lot of lime. But oh, these Cheetos actually make it taste interesting, like it's crunchy.
Yeah. Bam. Get out the light. Alright guys, so this is my first bite. I'm gonna mix it first though. I'll make sure you get everything. There's more lime there too if you didn't get enough lime.
Good?
I like how the hot Cheetos are like crunchy. So this is just our first time actually making it at home with the. We've made this at home, but never with the hot Cheetos. But we have tried it with the hot Cheetos. We go to 0 degrees, and they sell it there. It's a super small plate, but it's really good. It's actually really good, huh?
There's actually a good amount in it for it being, and it's kind of small for the price, though.
Yeah, well, yeah.
I don't remember
compared to when you go somewhere. Maybe it just looks like less because it's in like a plate instead of a cup, but it's probably the same amount. But we usually share it.
But it's super simple. You explained everything, like boiling the corn. You just put Not long?
I didn't. Sorry guys, I forgot to put the part where I boil it, but we fill up the corn above because we like ours with a lot of like water and butter. So you put the corn in the pan and then you fill it up with water over, make sure it's all like submerged. Put it to boil, put some butter and a little bit of salt and just let it boil for like 10 minutes maybe. And then that's it. And then whatever condiments you want to put on it, mayonnaise if you want to put extra butter, lime. Remember the hot Cheetos? I did show the hot Cheetos how I crushed them with the cup in that bowl.
I guess unless you're allergic to something, then of course then you can't use that. But I recommend use everything. Everything. The mayonnaise, everything.
Yeah. And please use white corn. If you haven't had it before, use white corn on the cob. It's not like super yellow. You can tell the difference, huh?
Yeah, it looks like white corn.
Don't have it at Walmart.
Well,
I guess it's seasonal, but
yeah,
we got it in the packs because they didn't have the other one. But also the cheese, grab the cheese, love. We don't really care for this specific brand. I guess we don't care for any brand, but
oh yeah, but this is the this cheese is bomb.
Cojita cheese. I don't know if you can see that. Use cojita cheese. Do not use.
It's cotija.
Oh shoot, my bad. Cotija cheese. I'm the Mexican one here and I don't even know what it is. Use cotija cheese.
Or some other people though, they use that
Like the queso fresco?
Well,
this is better because it's more it's dry, so it's really good.
Everybody has their own preference.
Don't use Parmesan cheese. Please use.
Yeah, not like regular grated like cheese.
Shout out KB and Carla because we were watching their video and that literally made us get up and go to the store and buy it.
They made it on the cob though.
Yeah, like he said he's only had it like twice. But he said he doesn't like it in the cup. He likes it on the cob. But I just think I hate eating it because it's so messy and then like this you get to mix in, you get everything in one like.
Yeah. Yeah, it kind of sucks if you don't like spicy stuff. Because I feel like you can eat it without the spicy, but that's part of it.
Yeah, because like them, they made it with no salsa. And you can use, a lot of people use like Valentino. I think that's like the standard salsa, but you can use whatever. Like we use tapatio because we always just have tapatio here.
And like at the Mexican places though, they also put chili powder in yours though. Chili powder and like what is it, Valentino?
Yeah.
Or tapatio, or if you want to use Tabasco, whatever you like.
And
but yeah, guys, that was a quick little corn situation.
Quick little easy little snack to make, and then obviously the prank in here. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I was a little nervous just because she gets really mad because I literally don't pay attention. But it was kind of funny.
And he literally got me because the dog, his little foot is swollen, so I'm in there with the dog on my lap attending to his little wound. And he's like, I'm like, do you really need me?
I know, she kind of took forever. I wasn't expecting that. Like, you gotta get up and come. But no, I always be choking when I eating too. She's like, you better not choke because I ain't gonna save you. Kind of rude, but.
I get nervous, that's why.
Yeah, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that prank. I thought it was pretty funny. Let me know what you guys thought. And yeah, just stay tuned for more pranks, vlogs. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed and we will see you guys next time.
Bye.